very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Gas prices are to fall again this week. The decline comes with lower prices of oil on the international market. So how much less will you pay at the pumps? For that we go to Dashan Hendricks. He's at the Smart Board. Dashan?
Well, for a third straight week, Petrojam will be cutting the price of all petroleum products, starting first with E1087 and E1090 gasoline. Petrojam says it will cut the price of both grades of gasoline by 62 cents, taking them to their lowest level since the last 5 weeks. Now, in that period, the price of both grades of fuel has gone down by some $2. Moving on now to diesel. Regular diesel declines this week by 21 cents, while the low sulfur variety declines by 15 cents. Kerosene is also down. It goes down this week by 5 cents. Propane is down 3 cents and butane declines by 5 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. Meanwhile, oil prices fell to their lowest finish in more than 10 months today. Oil for delivery in August settled down 98 cents at $42.53 a barrel. That is the lowest closing price for oil since August 10, 2016. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.20. The Canadian dollar is selling for $97.24. The pound sterling costs $163.52, while the euro is going for $142.86. And stock trading ended the day with the main JC market index up more than 1,133 points, while the junior market index gained 38. The stocks posting gains today include 138 Student Living, Carreras, Jamaica Producers, Jetcon, Knutsford Express, NCB Financial Group, Panjam and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Dolphin Cove, Lasca Distributors, Paramount Trading, Radio Jamaica and T-Tech. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.